Do you guys have key to this or the? What the fuck are we gonna?
Sheriff's office. Chris, officer here.
Hey, Chris! Chris, let me see your
What's up, buddy? Come on out, man.
Come on out, Chris.
Chris, let us see your hand, bud.
He's got laceration to his right forearm.
Hey, Chris, we just want to help you out, bud.
Come on, buddy.
Chris, come out so we can help you, so we can get an ambulance to come check you out, bud, with your injuries.
Yeah, he's right. He's got a laceration to his right forearm. It looks pretty deep.
Do you see any weapons in his hand?
I cannot see anything in his right hand. And I can't see his left hand. I can't from this angle.
Chris, hey, bud.
Chris, we're here to help you. We need you to come.
Come on, bud.
Nothing in your hands.
Who has a tourniquet? Because they're going to need one.
I have.
Okay. I just want to make sure because, yeah, you're going to need one.
What's going on today, Chris?
Come on, buddy.
Huh?
I'm grabbing fucking a soda
Yeah.
right behind me.
Yeah.
Can I?
Dude, he's super pale.
Yeah.
Chris. Come on.
He's naked.
Hey,
Okay.
Chris, man. Hey, I'm sorry for what you're going through, man. We're here to help you, okay?
Come on out, bud.
Hey, how you doing? My name is the Sheriff's Department, dude. What's going on today exactly, Chris?
Come on, man. Come on out, bud. We just want to get you some medical help, man. Can I see your right hand, though? At least, can you wave to me? Wave to your family for me. Can you do that?
Chris, your family's out here. They want to talk to you. Is that okay with you?
He's got something in his right hand.
Your sister's out here.
He's holding something, like his hands. Come on, buddy. He's also bleeding from his right leg.
Chris, hey buddy. Hey, Chris.
Get away from me. I'm gonna grab a soda.
Hey, we'll get you a soda if you come on out. I mean, there's a fridge right here. Do you wanna come out and we'll get you a soda? We like Coke or Pepsi? Do you like Coke or Pepsi, bro?
Hey, so Martin wants to call. He said back off. Calling right now.
All right. Oh, there he goes. He's going in.
Chris.
Dude, he's like, you see the arterial?
Yeah, he has that stare, that blank stare.
Yeah, dude, he's going out, dude.
There he is.
Hey.
Lightheaded, Chris?
What?
You starting to feel a little lightheaded?
No.
I can't tell what's in his right hand though, but I could see he's holding something.
Hey buddy, you want some soda, dude? You feeling low on sugar, or you're not looking so hot, man?
No,
Nothing is left, but he's holding something in his right, and I can't see. Dude, he's holding on for dear life right now.
Chris.
Hey, guys.
Yeah. Okay, he's going out. He's gonna go out. Oh, back inside.
looked like he was gonna faint.
Yeah, dude, he's.
You got a soda? You got a knife in there. You got a knife.
Stay there, dude. Stay there. Stay there.
Hey, drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Hey, you ready? All right, less lethal. Get back!
Back up! You shot my brother! He tried! He was so hard! He was fucking! You shot my fucking brother! You shot my brother! What is wrong with you? Hey! Come to you! He needs your help!
Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the knife.
Okay, you guys ready? Look at it, A.
Any other knife? Any other knife? Anything else?
Nothing. No.
All right. He's pretty filleted. One more. Let's turn him.